We're all susceptible to the laws governing the universe, including the law of attraction, right? And as far as we know, the law of attraction is our ability to attract whatever we are emitting, vibrating, signaling, shouting out into the universe. What we've gathered from studying quantum physics along the way is that the universe tunes into these messages we broadcast from our subconscious and conscious mind, and then translates our thoughts and beliefs into reality via the law of attraction. Basically, what we think and feel manifests into tangible things in real life events. This is why it's so important to know how to use the law of attraction and the latest advances in neuroscience to retrain our brains for higher levels of success and happiness. When we live our lives with purpose and meaning every single day, we can begin to attract the highest and best possible outcomes for ourselves, our lives, our children. Check out this quote from Napoleon Hill. He wrote the book Think and Grow Rich, which is a very famous book. The vast majority of people are born, grow up, struggle, and go through life in misery and failure, not realizing that it would be just as easy to switch over and get exactly what they want out of life, not recognizing that the mind attracts the thing it dwells upon. So why is it that even though we focus on the sunny side of life and strive to think positive, nothing changes? Why doesn't anything we painstakingly long for instantly manifest into great abundance? It takes more than wishful thinking to attract what we want into our lives. It takes considerable effort, dedication, belief, and action. The truth is, the law of attraction isn't as simple as placing an online order or sending a prayer out into the universe. This powerful law is more than just seeing yourself living in abundance and then out of thin air attracting $1 million. It just doesn't work that way. If that were the case, we could all bypass education, effort, and action, because everything we could possibly want, love, health, money, and 365 days of vacation every year would instantly be ours just by wishing for it. Even though you're privy to the law of attraction, it can still be a struggle to manifest what you want in this lifetime. The good news is you can overcome the limitations of the law by diving deeper into how it works, precisely and scientifically. Ready to effectively tune in and tap into the universal power of attracting what you really want? Here's the #1 scientific secret to activating the law of attraction. When it comes to the law of attraction, creative visualization matters, but the energy of your vibration matters more. Think of how when you play a piano, it's possible to make a chandelier in the dining room vibrate. This is due to resonance, the prolongation of sound by the synchronous vibration of a neighboring object. The law of attraction has a lot to do with resonance too. For the powers of manifestation to work in your favor, you must literally get in tune with what you truly want. Yep, it all comes down to getting your mind, body, and spirit in resonance with what you want to achieve in this lifetime. Get your vibe to resonate with your vision. Everything is energy. Energy is neither created or destroyed. It's the cause and effect of itself. It's present at all places at all times. Energy is in constant motion and never rests. It is forever moving from one form to another. Quantum physics teaches us that physical atoms are made up of vortices of spinning and vibrating energy, each one radiating its own unique frequency. If we study and observe ourselves to find out what we truly are, we discover we are all beings of energy and vibration, radiating our own unique signature. This is something that quantum physicists have shown us time and time again. Concentration, commitment, and focus increase your vibration for success. When you're laser focused and totally committed to achieving your goals, you start to activate the trillions of cells in your body, which creates energy. And whatever's in harmony with your energy becomes your reality. If you want to know the secret of the universe, think in terms of energy, frequency, and vibration. Nikola Tesla. The energy you emit attracts the things, people, events, and experiences that resonate with your vibe. Your brain is an electromagnetic signal station that receives light and images through your eyes and vibration and sound through your ears. Successful people go inward to create a visual and written description of what they want to manifest on the outside. Our physical world is a manifestation of our internal world. But here's the deal. You don't always get what you think about most. You get what you resonate with most. People who accelerate are the ones who learn how to get their electromagnetic signals in tune so they can achieve what they visualize and focus on each and every day. When your brain zooms in on accomplishing a goal, it deletes everything that isn't aligned with hitting that target. But to achieve your dreams, your goals, and the emotions behind your goals need to be set to the same frequency. Make sense? Providing clarity for your brain is the equivalent of tuning into the goal achievement channel. A clear mindset for success, along with the right emotions for wanting to be successful, eliminates any static, so you can easily receive information, resources, and other valuable things the universe sends your way. To get your vibe in tune with your vision, you may have to redo your belief system. Your thoughts are electromagnetic waves of energy that penetrate time and space. Whatever's going on in your mind and heart is a reflection of what's going on physically and externally. So you have to work very hard to attract the things you want rather than the things that you may usually think about. Struggles, lack, hardship, dissatisfaction, disease, etc. High achievers also repeat positive affirmations to outweigh any negative self-talk. Now here's a good example. I'm now attracting an abundance of money, health, and wonderful people into my life. I now free myself from destructive fears and doubts. I'm surrounded by love. All is well. Life supports me in every possible way. For most people, the belief side of the law of attraction equation is not centered around self-worth. If you visualize manifesting $1 million and feel great about it for those few minutes, but the rest of the day you're full of self-doubt and fear, then that will counteract whatever you might have accomplished while visualizing. If you want to dance through life in rhythm with your vision, you must also hone your skills and take daily action. Sure, you can begin to use the power of the unseen world to create your ideal life and business, but there's a crucial aspect that so many people miss. The law of attraction cannot work effectively unless you also follow the law of attraction. Nothing will happen unless you get off your butt and do something. To utilize the law of attraction for your benefit, you must raise your level of consciousness and implement a smart plan of action. You need a solid plan with the right strategies, tactics, timeline, tools, and resources to succeed. Yes, this takes hard work and stretches beyond your daydreams and creative visualization practice. Honing your skills can take time, patience, and dedication, and taking action on a daily basis is imperative. When it comes to daily action, follow the rule of 5 and do 5 specific things to move your goal toward completion every day. This method works because by committing to taking meaningful daily action to achieve your goals, you activate the law of attraction and will accomplish more than you ever thought possible. By taking daily action towards your dreams, you're not only chipping away at tasks to get closer to reaching your goals, but you're also generating the positive energy needed for the universe to align the right things for you in the right order at just the right time. Upgrading your skill set and building an action plan are crucial ingredients for the success formula. It's not magic, it's science. The law of attraction can have a positive effect on your emotions, moods, relationships, and lifestyle. And when you learn how to harness unconscious competence and program your mind to automatically execute wealth, health, and relationship attracting actions while performing at your highest level of genius, you'll know the real positive power of the law of attraction. The law of attraction works in your benefit when you start living with certainty and confidence that you can achieve whatever your heart truly desires. There are different ways to apply the law of attraction, just like there are different ways to test the law of gravity. You can use gravity to have fun flying in your wingsuit, or you can misuse gravity by slipping on a banana peel and getting hurt. You get the idea. If you're in alignment and emitting the right vibration for what you want to attract, you're golden. Remember, life makes no mistakes and always gives you what you first give yourself. Happy manifesting. If you found this video valuable, please leave a comment below. I would love to hear your feedback. And if you'd like to learn more about how you can be the best version of yourself so you can create the life you want, please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.